Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Cheers, truly. We got Blue in the corner. We're over here still at FreshUpgrade coming soon. Well, I'm actually going to be changing the spark plugs today, so stay tuned. You guys will see what. Right now I'm going to show you guys what they're doing. I don't know what they're doing, but we'll go check it out. We'll see. Blue. Willie's here. We got FreshUpgrade over there. Alright guys, and then we got the piece of shit car here.
Oh hell no! Don't talk about my fucking Z over there, right?
Z?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, my bad, boss. I didn't mean to talk. First things first, I'm gonna take off all these bolts first. Get all these hoses out the way so that way I can get it to the spark plug. Take out the coil packs. Alright guys, so I just finished with Blue's help over here. We just finished unplugging all the coil packs. We did take out all the bolts. So I was just gonna show you guys, make sure when you're doing this to get new O-rings because the ones that I had were fucked up. And
so what happens when I put my finger in there?
Put your finger in there, burn yourself? But pretty much all you gotta do, just unplug it, it's easy, pull out the coil pack, boom, good to go. And you just stick the screw, the wrench in there and just unscrew the spark plug. I'm gonna do that right now and then I'll catch back up to you guys. I'll show you the after effect of what they look like. Alright, we got Blue unscrewing the spark plug. We got FreshUpgrade and Willie supervising, doing nothing. Does it look like cheap?
That's how you do it.
You know, they don't look too bad.
Clean, bro.
Yeah,
still good.
Well, we're still gonna replace it.
Nah, you're good. Just take the other one back for your money back.
You know what? You got dirty a little bit before you put it in there.
Can I use these for my car?
You can, bro, if you want to.
I got you.
$5.
They're iridium.
I mean, an Intrepid is Japanese, bro.
No, it ain't.
Alright, well anyways, I'm gonna go get the new spark plugs and I'm gonna put them in there real quick. Yes. So this is the new spark plug. You got the old one still? This is a new one, OEM. This one is iridium. I still gotta check the gap on this one. Just know if you guys are gonna gap them, when you guys are doing your spark plugs, especially for a Z, if you are tuned, you have to gap this to 3.05. I'll put up a picture in the screen, but I have to gap this to 0.035. Normally they're 0.044, but if you do that, you're gonna have a lot of freaking misfires. So make sure you have the right gap. Alright guys, I almost packed out Blue, dude. This fool ends up showing me the spark plug and this is what he showed me. I was like, what the fuck, dude? I just bought these. How the fuck did this shit just break in there? But it turns out this shit was already broken. Thank God it was still together like this and we could pull it out. But that's the main, you better not broke it again, bro. I swear to God, I'm looking at
I
you.
didn't break that. You broke it.
But this is what happened. This is why probably there's a big misfire because this is broken. But we'll see right now. New spark plugs are going in. Oh, we got FreshUpgrade outside. What?
I did the back one already.
Alright, man. We're almost done. I'm about to just have it back up on time lapse. In the meantime, while we finish this, hopefully everything goes smoothly. Pray to God, bro. Pray to God, bro. Let's get it. So Blue just quit on the job. These guys are all eating. We're actually gonna test it out, see if this shit works. And if it doesn't work, then I'm walking home. Alright, baby. Don't you give out on me. Please work, God. Alright guys, it looks like it works. Final thing is to test drive it, see what's up. I'm about to take it out and see what happens. Alright guys, we're about to go on a roll. Alright, we got Blue in here. It's not even fully out yet. We're missing like 5 psi.
Damn. Come on, swing it. Come on, swing it.
Nice. Car ran good. Supposedly I'm leaking automatic transmission fluid, but it's actually from my power steering. Let's go see what this. Whoa, whoa.
You do not walk into my garage knowing you're leaking fluid
Let me see. Where you leaking?
and let that shit stay there.
I didn't put on a pad, bro.
Damn, bro. Time of the month, huh? Time of the month.
But alright guys, that's gonna end the vlog for today. Hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to give a like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.